Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Expo SDK 48 or newer and installing Expo Sqlite. This is essential because native Sqlite support is packaged there. Once done, import Open Database from Expo Sqlite and open a DB. Const DB equals Open Database App. DB. Make sure you place this call in a module loaded once, not inside repeated renders. Also create migrations folder and a small init function that runs create table. if not exist statements on app launch to seed schemer reliably. Next, implement CRUD by wrapping SQL in DB. Transaction calls so you get rollback on failure, for example DB. Transaction tx equals tx. Execute SQL, insert into items name, values, name, success error, use parameterized queries with placeholders to avoid injection and keep types predictable. Wrap each transaction in a promise and export async functions like create item, read items, update item, delete item so your UI code simply awaits them. This keeps state consistent and simplifies error handling and finally, run migrations on first app launch and store a schema version to avoid duplicate work. Make sure you test on a physical device because emulator behavior and file persistence can differ, especially for iOS. If something goes wrong, inspect error callbacks from Execute SQL, enable verbose logging, and confirm you are not opening multiple DB instances. Also verify Expo Go versus standalone build differences. If native behavior fails, rebuild an actual binary so native modules behave exactly as in production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.